Okay. 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 I am probably live here with you all. So today I'm going to I'm waiting for views. I am probably live here with you all. So today I'm going to So hello everyone. Hello. Okay. So hello everyone. Hello. I'm going to tell you the basics and introduction about Scratch today. Okay. I'm going to tell you the basics and introduction about Scratch today. Okay. So I'm just waiting for some time for views. Okay. Okay. So I'm just waiting for some time for views. Okay. So I'm just waiting for some time for views. Okay. Okay, so I'll wait for some time and then I'll start my video. You all could come. Okay. I'll wait. So you can check just uh, I'm just consequently I'm just waiting for you for some time and then I'll just appear in front of you. Okay, so meanwhile I'm gonna just start my scratch time. So today I'm going to just go on with you from the basics and introduction, and after that I'm going to just tell you about how to make projects and all. Okay. So this is my Scratch window. You can see I'm going to tell you how to download Scratch first. You have to just go and Google and you have to type Scratch 2.0. You will open in a new window, but I'll and then it will be just an option of join Scratch. You sign in there and just come here with me in Scratch. And if you don't have any internet, you don't have no internet, you don't want to waste your internet in working on Scratch, you can install Scratch 2.0, that is Scratch 2 offline editor. Yeah, you can download it and use without even internet connection. So I'm going to show you this. This is what it looks like. This is Scratch 2.0 and it's the offline editor. It will be just a little different from a Scratch 2.0 in online, but this Scratch 2 is in offline and it will be not that different. See, we just have all the commands like look, sound, pen, data. We all have these we all have these commands in this type of form, and in online editor you can see how there is what is the actual form of them. I'm gonna show you all. I'm gonna teach you all the basics today. So I can see here they are in vertical order. So I'm going to just teach you about the online editor. I'm not going to go through the offline editor. So now I'm waiting for views. Okay. So this is my screen of Scratch, as you can see. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you about the basics of Scratch 2.0. Okay. So costumes, we have three up here. Up here, you can see a Scratch 2.0 gallery photo that is Scratch. This is the logo of Scratch. Here is file. Here you if we click on it, here you can get a new option. This new option is for where you can just create a new project if you want. This is save now. Here you can save your project. Save as a copy. You can save it on desktop or what. You can save it as a copy. Here you can load from your computer. Means you can load it from your computer and save to your computer. Means you can save it in your computer. Edit. Now this edit means you can here is the turbo mode. I'll tell you about this turbo mode later on. So here is an option of tutorials. This will tell you the various. This will introduce you to Scratch. This will tell you how to make projects. As Untitled 2. Now you can see this will tell my projects. This will help me name my projects. So suppose I want to name my project as suppose Scratch Basics. So I want to name my project as Scratch Base. Now enter. Just name your project there and click on enter and it will name your project automatically. Okay, now this is my stuff. Here it will tell you about your projects that you have made and not saved. So I can see this is my project and this I was working on later. So these are all your saved projects. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, now this is your username that you will be creating. Now here we have an option of upper of my main screen here on Scratch. Okay, so this is about my main screen of Scratch. Here I have a flag option. This flag option is about this will make you start your project. Okay, we have not done any of the codings right now, so it will not do anything. This will stop your project. This will help you zoom it, make it bigger, and this when it will be bigger as an option of this, you can just make it small. Now up here above the codes, we have a code, costumes and sound. So I'm going to introduce you to code first. So this code, this will help you. Here you can find all the blocks, suppose as motion blocks, loops, and etc. Here are costumes. This will show you about your costumes that you have just created. Suppose I have these type of costumes are mine. This is my sprite, or you can even put costumes in a background. This will help you. Now you can see this is its next costume. Now sounds. Now this will help you. Suppose I want to make a sound, I can go click here and this will help you upload a sound from your desktop. This will give a surprise sound. So let's see what is my. So you can see this is my surprise sound. This will help you record your own sound and this will help you choose a sound from the library, the sound library. So I can see it's an elect piano, a guitar. Suppose I choose Alien Creek one. See, you saw? You saw that? And choose this. So this is my main window of Scratch. Okay, so I hope you got about this. Now I'm going to tell you about motions blocks. Friends, these motion means that it will help you move your characters. This will help you move your main character. Suppose here my one sprite. We don't call it character, sorry. In Scratch, we call all these characters as a sprite. What do we call them as? Sprites. So suppose this cat is my sprite, okay? Suppose this cat is my sprite, okay? And I want to move it. So I'll click move 10 steps. Now see, why is not doing? Because see, I will tell you later why doesn't it do. But remember that these motion blocks will help you to move your character. Now looks, these will help you to looks of your character. Like to say hello, what is the Next, what to do? This will help you to looks your character. This will sound. This will play the sound. Suppose now events. Now we come. Now see. This is the most important block. Now see. Why didn't it move when I put? See, I'm clicking the start button, but it's not moving. Why? Because I haven't put it in this block. This block means that when this flag is clicked, move 10 steps. See, it is moving. It moved. It is moving 10 steps. Sona? Yes, that is. And when friends, when you start any of the projects, suppose I start a game, I want to make a game. If you don't, put that key, this is when flag click, nothing will work. So this events will help you put your events. This control will help you control your sprite. Okay, and this will help you. I'll tell you about this, and this rest of all I'll tell you about later. It's very hard to explain. Now I'm going to tell you about the main. Now this is choose a sprite. Now if we click on it, the search option, we can suppose I want the ballerina as a sprite. So see, I have it. Now suppose I want to draw a sprite. So we click on the paint. Suppose I want this as a sprite. Okay. From here you can, it will give a surprise as right now. See. Okay, so I got a trampoline as my surprise. Now there it will upload your sprite from your computer. Now see if I click it. So you can see if I click it, it comes. I have saved my sprite on desktop. Suppose it is this. Suppose this is my sprite, okay? This is my one sprite. This is my photo. It is my one sprite. This is maintains the size of your sprite. Suppose I want to decrease the size of my sprite to 45. See, it decreases. So this will help you decrease your sprite. Now here you can name your sprite. Suppose I want to name it as DES. So it whatever you want to name your sprite, it will just appear. Okay. So now this will show your sprite or did see if I click on this, it will not show my sprite at all. But you can see if I click on here, it will show my sprite and this will maintain your X and Y. We'll talk about this later and this is your direction. It will help you maintain the direction that your sprite see. I click on it, it will make you the rotation of your sprite. Okay, so right now I'm going to keep it as. Now this is the backdrops. Now this you can put it, let's suppose I want to put this as baseball background. Okay. You can even paint your background. Now I want a new background. I want to paint my background. So I want this background, suppose, okay? So this will become, now it will give me a surprise also. It could give me, so my surprise background is this. Now you can also upload a background from your computer. So this is all for today, friends. This is all for today about the basics of Scratch. In the next video, I'll tell you about the main things about making projects, how to do. So these all I am going to tell you in my next video. So thank you everyone. So I see there are no views today, but I know I'll next make my next video also live, so you all could come and be here. I'm going to talk again. Please be live with me, please. Okay, so bye everyone. Bye. I'm ending the stream.